So today we're down here working on a C12. We had a exhaust leak that came out of here, out of the flange. That you can see how dark everything is here. So we had a broken bolt, or a stud actually, and then as I was taking this apart, another stud broke, so I had to take both the studs out, put new studs in. So we're going back together now. We're gonna go ahead and get ready to put the rest of it back together, but we wanted to show how the exhaust leak can wreak havoc. If you look up here too, you can see how much cleaning has to be done now over an exhaust leak. So when you're doing startups, the soot and the smell is going to want to continue to go. It's going to want to try to find the coldest air. So you either see the black soot or you'll smell upon startups. So it's very important to, when you're doing startups, to also be aware of the different smells, not only the visual things too.